Hey guys, welcome to the Physio channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 massage techniques that can help you to reduce pain around the knee. This first one I'm showing you here is perhaps the most advanced of the techniques. Before you do that one, I recommend you do a simple effleurage technique. So take some wax, oil or cream and spread that around the knee as you perform this effleurage technique. Using the flats of your hands, you're going to come up the inside and outside of the knee, cross over above the knee, and then come back down like so. And just repeat that for around 30 seconds to a minute to get the area warmed up. Spread the oil or wax around the area before you then progress to the next technique. The next technique I recommend is this simple petrissage technique over the inside of the knee. This is often an area where people feel pain, so doing this may just help to settle things down a bit, making movement feel a little bit easier for them. Naturally, you want to do that on the outside of the knee as well. Finishing off with the advanced technique that I showed you at the beginning, stabilize the inside of the knee, move down over the lateral thigh, hook your thumb over the top of the kneecap, and then scoop around below the knee and then push up the inside of the knee. Let's have a look at that again in slow motion. Here's a video that'll help you if you have a stiff knee and you want to try and increase the range of motion. And here's a video that will help you if you want to try taping to reduce knee pain. See you in one of those videos.